Hello, good morning, my dear students. Let us see lesson number 4 angles and pairs of angles. Now, let us see practice set 70. Already, we have seen first two examples from practice set 17. Now, let us see third example. In triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree. What kind of a pair do angle X and angle Z make? So, for this, we have to draw triangle XYZ. So, this is triangle XYZ, but here angle y is given 90 degree, so it means that we have to draw right angle triangle. So this is triangle XYZ, angle y is given 90 degree. Now what kind of a pair do angle x and angle z make? But we know that the property of triangle, addition of all these three angles or sum of the measures of all these three angles is 180 degree. Therefore measure of angle x plus measure of angle y plus measure of angle z is equal to 180 degree. But here angle y is given 90 degree, and therefore measure of angle x as it is plus 90 degree plus measure of angle z is equal to 180 degree. Now we can shift this value to right hand side. Therefore measure of angle x plus measure of angle z is equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. So here we got addition of angle x and z is equal to 90 degree. Therefore measure of angle x plus measure of angle z is equal to 90 degree. So here addition of these two angles x and z, that is 90 degree, and therefore by definition of complementary angle we can say that angle x and angle z are complementary angle. Therefore angle x and angle z are complementary angles because their addition is 90 degree. Now let us see second example, that is number 4. The difference between the measures of two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of the two angles. So here we have to find the measures of two angles. So let's consider the two angles B x degree and y degree. So here according to the first condition, that is the difference between the measures of two angles. So difference between angle x and y, that is x minus y is 40 degree. Equation number 1. Now but these two angles are complementary, are in complementary pair, or these two angles are complementary angles. Therefore by second condition we got x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Complementary angles means addition of two angles is 90 degree. So x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So here we have two equations. Now here variable y is having opposite sign, so we can directly add these two equation. Therefore adding equations 1 and 2, therefore x minus y is equal to 40 plus x plus y is equal to 90 degree. We have to add. So again we can write here x minus y is equal to 40 degree and x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So plus y and minus y get cancelled. X plus x, that is 2x, and 90 plus 40, that is 130 degree. So here 2 is multiplied to x. So after shifting x is equal to 130 divided by 2, that is 2 6 are 12, 13 minus 12, that is 1 remain, 1 and 0, that is we got 10, 2 5 are 10. Therefore x is equal to 65 degree. Now we can find y. So we can put x is equal to 65 degree in any one equation. So we can put in equation 2. Therefore, by x plus y is equal to 90. So by putting the value of x, that is 65, plus y is equal to 90, and y is equal to 90 minus 65, that is 25 degree. So here we got y is equal to 25 degree. So here we got the measures of the two angles, that is x is equal to 65 and y is equal to 25 degree. Now let us see next example, number 5. Quadrilateral. This is symbol for quadrilateral. Quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. So supplementary angles means addition of two angles is 180 degree, or if the sum of the measures of the two angles is 180 degree, then the two angles are called as supplementary angles. So here rectangle means each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, first pair, angle P and angle M, their addition is 180 degree. 90 plus 90, that is 180. Now let us see second pair of supplementary angles, that is addition of two angles is 180 degree. So here angle M and N both are of 90 degree. Therefore angle M and angle N, that is angle M plus angle N, is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 90, 180. Number 3, third pair, angle T and angle N. Addition of these two angles is 180 degree because each angle is of 90 degrees. So angle T plus angle N is equal to 180 degree. Now next, number fourth pair, angle P and angle T. That is angle P plus angle T is equal to 180 degree. Next pair, angle P 90 degree, angle N is also 90 degree. So we can take these two angles. So angle P and angle N. So addition of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Next, number 6. We can take these two angles, angle M and T. Addition of these two angles is 180 degree. 90 plus 90, that is 180. So angle M and angle T, that is measure of angle M plus T, angle T is equal to 180 degree. So we got here 6 pairs of supplementary angles. That is addition of this two angle is 180 degree, because in rectangle each angle is of 90 degree, is a right angle. Therefore angle P plus M, that is 180 degree. So first pair angle P and M, second pair angle M and N, third pair angle N and T, and fourth pair angle P and T. We can take these two pair, angle P and angle N, and angle M and T. So here we got 6 pairs of supplementary angles. Now let us see next example in next video, and don't forget to write these examples in your notebook. Bye. Take care.